Hi, I'm Tessa from the UK. I just wanted to tell you why I've been so excited these past few months. I recently joined my internet business, which is an internet marketing company, and it is really set to change my life. I've been looking for years really to find something that I could work from home, around my family, and with my internet business I've really found it. The thing that makes this business so special is that the tools and the support and training and coaching are all second to none. Plus the thing that was really worked for me was that all the tools and training are delivered to your home, to your laptop. So you don't have to give up your evenings or weekends to go to trainings, which gives me more time with my family, which is what I'm after. So I hope that you will see what I can see in this business, and after you've looked round my site, please contact me, give me a call, and I'd be happy to answer any questions that you may have. And just one further point, you don't need to be an internet whiz to run this business. I'm certainly not, and the tools and trainings are all very much designed to help anybody who is keen to learn.